So I missed the step a bit. I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak iOS 8, okay? Jailbreak iOS 8, and after jailbreak you can install iOS 1.0 beta 1 on it. So this is the first step. So now I'm going to go back to the beginning. You need to download. First one is here, the jailbreak tool, iOS 8 jailbreak, ETH zone jailbreak. Download this one, and it will come in your computer, right? So you need to install it in your iPhone. Here you need to install it. You need to install it in order to jailbreak. So how could you install it in 2025? You need to download another app called 3U Tool here. 3U Tool, okay? Here, 3U Tool, and you connect your device. We show here, new battery, 0 cycle. So you need to go to Toolbox and scroll down, take IPA sign. IPA sign, you choose IPA, sign with Apple ID. So you sign your Apple ID in, and you import the file that you just download, ETA zone. Here, import here, you just take this one, and you select Apple ID that you link with, okay? Add this one, you start, and it will succeed. When it succeeds, open the sign IPA location here. So drag it to the desktop. Okay, drag it here. So you need to go back, go to app. Here. Sorry, you need to install it. Where should I install it? App like this. And I don't really remember. Wait, let me check. So app. This app popular game recommended. So maybe we just drop it in. Wait. We just here. Take it, drop here. No, not working. Can I drop it here? No, so you go to app, this one, sorry. Add this one and import and install. Okay, you go to app, import and install, select it. Here, this is the desktop, okay? Here, desktop, so you just ETA. Correct, so select it and prepare to install. And prepare to install. So the connection is not really good because the wire is too old, so I don't really want to touch it. Here. So now it's just waiting to install. It's not ready, you can focus, sorry. So let's see what happened. Yeah, 18.1 crack. Hong Kong, okay. 0 battery. Battery charging. Battery is 1400 milliamp. So yeah. So it take time, right? So wait a bit. Still no. This one is too old. This one long ago, I did long ago, so what happened? Wait to cancel. So maybe we need time. So I will be back and I will tell you how long does it take, okay? As instantly I stop recording and now it's back. It's installing here. It's installing ETA so so what took it so long? Installing right now. 50% transmit here. 50%. So it's stuck again. No. So there is a step to install iOS 7.0 beta 1. So this is the first step, and I will put the title as we try to install iOS 7.1 or 7 iOS 7, okay? Because when you put jailbreak, YouTube will block your video. They don't like jailbreak video, so yeah, that is what happened. So now it's stuck in 50%. So let's go around. Don't have space. Data space. Still forget. iCloud off. 0 A5 chip. Oh, A5 chip. Dual core. Still 50%. So again, I will be back in this time and check the time. 9:44, okay?